Hey, I'm Jen Pottheiser, and I am a commercial photographer. I do a lot of work in the sports, entertainment, and corporate space, and today I'm going to share with you 5 tips to get more of the work that you want. Tip number 1. It almost has nothing to do with photography. Just do good in the world. Find something that you're passionate about, volunteer, donate your time, do good in the world, because I guarantee you, you will be in a good head if you do good in the world. The world will be better because you've done good in the world, and all of the people that you meet doing your good in the world, they're now gonna know that you're a content creator. Whether it's photo or video, whatever it is, you now know so many more people. So it's a win-win-win. Tip number 2, if you're assisting, be a pro of an assistant. Even if you don't know what you're doing, show up on time, dress appropriately, bring a Leatherman, bring some gaffer tape, do what you can to be a good assistant. If you're shooting, this list could go on forever, but again, be on time, dress like a pro. Treat your client like they're a client, contact them during the workday. You don't need to be texting them at 9 o'clock on a Saturday morning just to say hello. It's a professional arrangement. Keep it that way. Be a pro. Tip number 3 on how you can get more of the work that you want. Personal projects. For me, personal projects are always the way to go. If you are doing work that you're passionate about without the pressure of a client, without the pressure of delivery, and you're just taking pictures that you want, and then you share that work, it's gonna come through, and it's likely gonna be some of your best work. And if you share that work with the right people, that's gonna get you the work that you want. It's worked for me on countless instances, and that's sort of why I'm here at the marathon. Tip number 4, Rodmar, thank you for this tip because I practice it all the time. Make the big time where you are. I love this because we don't all start out shooting professional athletes and world-renowned executives. Just do what you can with what you have and make it big in your little world. Hire as best of a crew as you can with the budget that you have. Take advantage of every opportunity that you have with a credential, with the access that you have. Just make more than your client is expecting, and you're gonna over-deliver, you're gonna make good pictures with what you have, and that's gonna get you better work. Tip number 5, last but definitely not least, play offense. I feel like so many of us play defense. We put stuff out on social media and then we just expect work to come to us, and work does come to you that way and it will happen, but I think you're gonna get better work if you play offense and you really try and go after the work that you want. So part of that is doing those personal projects, but reach out to clients that you want to work with work that is appropriate for them. Pitch them on story ideas, and I've had great success with that, and that's going to get you better work. Those are my 5 tips, and I can't wait to hear from all of you, whether it's in the comments below or if you hit me up on Instagram or at my website at Pottheiser or www.pottheiser.com. I want to hear about all of the work that you're doing because of my 5 tips. Thanks.